Hello loves, it's Ada's Recipes with you again today. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thanks for liking. So in today's video, I'm super excited to share with you on how to make 5 ingredients baked Nigerian chin without an oven. Guys, like, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. So I'll be sifting in 3 cups of all-purpose flour. After which I'll be adding 2 tablespoons sugar and quarter teaspoon powdered cinnamon. So as you guys can see, I'm mixing the whole ingredients together. Then I'll be adding 3 tablespoons margarine. Then I'll be rubbing the margarine in the flour. So make sure you rub the margarine till well incorporated, and it's going to look like breadcrumbs after rubbing in the margarine. So guys, this is how it will be looking like. This is how it will look like, guys. Hope you're seeing this. Then the next process is to make a hole, and we'll be breaking in 4 medium eggs. And these 4 medium eggs, will be adding it one at a time. So when you add one at a time, you combine the ingredients and add the other ones. So you repeat the process until you exhaust the eggs you have. So after adding all the eggs, you combine the ingredients. You continue to knead until you get a non-sticky dough. Guys, remember I said this is a 5 ingredients baked chin without an oven. This process of kneading is very important. So transfer to a flat surface and continue to knead like so. So this is how the dough will look like. So I'm dividing the dough. and I'll be spreading each with a rolling pin. So with a wheel cutter, I'll be cutting the dough to shapes and sizes of choice. So you can decide to, cut your dough in shapes and sizes of choice. So this is how I'm cutting mine. I hope you guys are seeing this. Yeah, this is it. So I'm repeating the same process. You're going to be repeating the same process till you exhaust your dough. Guys, this recipe is so easy. So easy. So easy. Remember I said it's 5 ingredients recipe. So we are done with the cutting of our chin chin dough. This is how it looks like. So the next process is to spread a foil. I'm using a tray, stainless tray. Remember, we are baking this chin chin, like baking, not frying. So I'm adding the dough like this. Make sure one is not on each other. So I'll be using a stove to bake this chin chin. You can also bake on a gas top. All right, I'm baking this on a stove top. So I'm using a large pot. So I'll be baking. So at intervals, you like stir the chin chin, like close intervals, to prevent it from getting burnt, like close intervals. So with intervals of say 5 minutes, you stir the chin chin and be baking this for like 40 to 50 minutes. So make sure you stir the chin chin at close intervals. That is the secret. So this is it. Our chin chin is almost ready. Hope you guys are seeing this. So you can come up with this with a stove, and you can also bake on a gas cooker top like I told you. And our chin chin is ready. Our baked chin chin is ready. Our 5 ingredients baked chin chin without an oven is ready. Guys, hope you are seeing this. So you can come up with this without an oven. If you have an oven, fine, but with this you're good to go without an oven. Guys, check this out. So make sure you give this a try. Like, guys, you're going to love this recipe. It was soft and crunchy, like soft and crunchy. So give it a try, like I would always tell you guys. Wow, hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So for the list of ingredients and the measurements, I'll be leaving them in the description box. See you in my next one and have a lovely day. Bye bye. Love you all.